So how do you know when something is truly good for your soul? For me, I knew it the first time I saw yoga change my mother. She did not have an easy life, and I could tell. I could really feel it, of course. And then she began practicing yoga, and something, of course, shifted. After practicing, I could tell her shoulders dropped, her breath softened, her eyes grew lighter. She was just a much nicer person to be around. And seeing how it opened her up to growth was my biggest inspiration. Of course, I started joining her. I was curious. And then yoga started to become my path too. A way of moving through life with more presence, with more softness, more truth. I basically connected with everyone in life in general a little bit better and easier. So wanting to share this gift more widely, I founded Ekhart Yoga, which is part of Yoga Easy now, and it's Europe's largest online yoga meditation platform. One of the most powerful ways I share yoga now is through retreats. When we step away from life, when we pause, connect with nature, move, breathe, and reflect, something profound opens up. We connect with something deeper that often gets lost in everyday life. And Dalijo, the retreat center, holds this work so beautifully, and the mountains and the trees and the quiet, they all help. And then, of course, the team holds the space brilliantly as well, so that people really feel safe enough to let go. And that's why we keep coming back to Dalijo. And I hope one day you'll join me there too, if you haven't already. Yeah. Thank you for listening to me.